Though things went crazy, this was not expected, and Shiba Inu is no longer the same now. Something recently happened that can send us into unforeseen directions, but just what is happening? Allow me to clarify, however. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Regretfully, Shiba Inu's day today is not fantastic. Many folks are really angry with the declining cost as it is. This is mostly due to numerous investors hoping Shiba Inu would keep rising. Particularly considering its remarkable increase last year, they were enthusiastic about its future and felt in its possibilities. Their assets are losing value presently as the price falls. One may get great tension from this. But really, what's happening? Why is Shiba Inu down today, and is there any possibility for a movement upward? Well, let's investigate. All began with some really encouraging Ethereum news. Approval of regulation amendments by the SEC has already helped to allow 8 Ethereum ETFs to be listed and traded. Still, the S1 registration forms constitute one more big step remaining. Before the ETFs can go live, these forms, which provide comprehensive information about them, are very vital. And this all makes sense. Before they may be made available to the general public, ETFs must first be extensively examined and authorized by the SEC. The S1 registration forms guarantee the FS transparency and security for investors by include all the required information about their operation. The ETFs cannot be debuted without these forms, and now things become interesting. A major event for the crypto market might be Ethereum ETF approval. It may provide fresh investment prospects and encourage more use of digital assets. Like the Bitcoin ETF did back then, which drove Shiba Inu's price tripling, the community is keenly observing as the SEC decides on the Ethereum ETF, expecting how it will affect institutional and ordinary investors. Behind the scenes, too, something wild is occurring. Over 3 weeks, Ethereum whales have purchased $2.45 billion worth of the cryptocurrency. This is a lot and really emphasizes the buzz around the Ethereum ETF. Stated otherwise, $2.45 billion is a staggering sum of money. It's not just a statement of confidence, but also a clear indication of great market players' large vote of expectancy. These large-scale acquisitions indicate that big investors are preparing for what they think may be a notable rise in value upon ETF approval. This kind of action amply illustrates the Ethereum ETF's expected and exciting nature. Given so much money pouring into Ethereum, it is abundantly evident that investors are getting ready for a possibly significant change in the market. But while Ethereum whales are so enthusiastic, Shiba Inu presents quite the reverse situation. Shiba Inu is seen declining whale activity today. Based on chain statistics from Into the Block, whale activity has dropped significantly over the previous 24 hours, a 56% decrease in big transaction volume. Many people have started debating this abrupt decline. People wonder what precisely is happening and how this is feasible. Many feel the two should be tightly connected because Shiba Inu was developed on Ethereum and still runs on the Ethereum network. Why then is Shiba Inu not riding the same surge of enthusiasm as Ethereum? Well, let us investigate. The Shiba Inu pricing is striving to establish itself in a somewhat erratic market. As investors attempt to forecast the Fed's future actions on interest rates, the crypto market saw erratic swings last week. The market is heading down right now. Several crypto assets start the week on a bad note and various tokens, including Shiba Inu, are dropping. Shiba Inu lost 4% throughout the previous 24 hours. Though the causes of the decline in Shiba Inu whale activity are many, the precise one is still unknown. The general volatility in the Bitcoin market might be making big investors reluctant to enter the sector. Some think that whales may have moved to lower their holdings in response to present profit-taking patterns, therefore limiting activity. Smaller investors are left to consider what this implies for their money while the major players pull back. Many are in a wait-and-see mentality, seeking more consistency before deciding on anything significant, and this is very fascinating. The current market volatility has some people wondering if the much-anticipated cryptocurrency season may not come to pass at all. Prominent financial expert Murad Mahmudov, among other analysts, have offered compelling arguments for this point of view. Mahmudov believes that a major altcoin season is unlikely given U.S. consumers' declining overall surplus savings. Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco's most recent data shows a clear pattern. Americans have mostly used their money, which they acquired. Rising substantially from March 2020 to August 2021, these savings peaked at an astounding level of nearly $2.1 trillion. The main cause of this increase was a quite dramatic drop in consumer expenditure throughout that time. Economists at the San Francisco Fed believe that this high in excess savings signaled a distinct economic era that is now seeming to be ending. Mamedov and others argue that the possibility for another significant cryptocurrency season may be hampered if consumers spend down their funds. Though these reserves are running low, there is hope that a robust labor market will keep consumer expenditure high. Recent financial results from big corporations like Amazon, however, show that customers are becoming more frugal. Given their more thrifty behavior in comparison to the 2021 spending frenzy, Americans are less inclined to bet on dangerous alternative cryptocurrencies. Murad Mahmudov speculates that the days of a large altcoin season may be behind us as consumers tighten their belts. He thinks that instead of general excitement, we could only witness sporadic jumps in value from fashionable cryptocurrencies that grab investors' brief attention. The best you might expect for is an occasional well-timed surge by a specific flavor of the month from the crypto-native PvP hotball of money, he said. The expert also underlined another very important element, the overabundance of cryptocurrencies on the market. With every new token release, altcoins are exploding, raising both their entire market value and count, Mahmudov said. When he compared the present market cycle with 2017, he saw that the market was much smaller back then. This meant that producing new tokens was significantly more difficult and that less investment was needed to achieve significant returns. Dilution is clearly a problem nowadays. Just on the Solana network, starting on April 1st, over 1 million tokens have been introduced. And among the many blockchain systems in the crypto ecosystem, this is just one. Imagine, then, adding more than 1 million additional items to a shop in a few months to put this in context. It generates a situation wherein every product competes for attention and value, therefore making it more difficult for any one token to stand out or keep value over time. Still, Shiba Inu is the top initiative that surely grabs people's attention despite current obstacles. Analysts are eagerly watching where its price may go next. Michael's research lately emphasizes Shiba Inu's battle to rebound within a larger market downturn. Shiba Inu have suffered continuous losses starting on June 6th. Zooming out, Shiba Inu has been on a downslope since early March. Weekly charts show lower lows and lower highs. Fascinatingly, even with this negative trend, a bullish pattern called a bull flag has developed. Starting with a startling 370% increase in March, this development formed the flagpole before a consolidation phase produced the flag itself. Technically, a bull flag usually denotes a brief stop in a decline, maybe indicating a future upswing should Shiba Inu break out from the present negative channel brought on by market volatility. Michael expects Shiba Inu will soon exhibit a break from this tendency, therefore indicating a reversal of the upward trend. Shiba Inu is in a normal 5-wave pattern, the analyst, known for employing Elliott wave theory to forecast market swings, emphasized. Shiba Inu is on the 4th wave right now, and this usually marks declining prices. Nonetheless, the expert expects the 5th wave to begin shortly and may break out from the present declining trend in the next weeks. Should this breakthrough occur, the analyst projects Shiba Inu might achieve a target price with 3 zeros, therefore reflecting a notable 398% gain from its present value. The price would so rise enough to lose one of its zeros. And for many, eliminating a zero from Shiba Inu's price is a significant event only because it increases worth significantly. It not only shows great investor confidence and market optimism, but also draws additional interest from possible investors seeking for cryptocurrencies with great growth potential. Additionally, generating excitement and speculation, this kind of price fluctuation helps to propel additional market momentum. On that, however, what is your view? See below. Reading your point of view would be much anticipated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.